John Deere 410K just arrived today. Real good unit, equipped with four-wheel drive, Extendahoe in the back, got piping for a hammer. It's also got a hydraulic quick disconnect on it. This machine was very well maintained. Every light works. Signal, you don't see it often, but it also has front fenders on this backhoe. Most of them don't have that. Got a general purpose bucket on the front with a bolt-on cutting edge. AC, stereo. It's a real nice, tight machine. Needs a cleaning up. Just came in off its job. Pilot controls. It's got the Extendahoe and the auxiliary hydraulic pad. Got a quick coupler device there. Looks like there was a broken piece of glass, but they replaced it already. Air conditioned stereo, just needs to be cleaned up. Engine runs good with no smoke at all. Really nice backhoe. John Deere 410K, cab air, four-wheel drive, Extendahoe, auxiliary hydraulics, hydraulic quick disconnect. All original. Nice unit.